Hi, I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsport. Today we got a 2018 Dodge Durango here. This is a 6.4 liter, the SRT version of this. And if you're watching this video now, by now most of you probably know that they offer this today in 2021 with a supercharger on it from the factory. It's the Durango Hellcat. So if you've got one of these things and you want to add some more power to it, like we did here for our customer Jay, we can do exactly that to help you keep up with or beat the Durango Hellcat, which they make today. It's a great vehicle here, very, very similar platform as the brand new one, very similar interior, very nice vehicle. So if you want to add some more power, we do a lot of these trucks like this. This is a 6.4 liter, so it is something when you put a supercharger on, we recommend you do some internal upgrades. So this particular engine has a ringland that's right at the top of the piston. It's a little higher compression than you'd like to see it with a supercharger on it. So we've went through this vehicle, put our rod and piston upgrade in this thing, and really that's about it. Some better injectors, but we didn't do a whole bunch different to this engine than production other than beef up the parts in it, right? So you do want the better pistons, you do want the better rods. So we got an engine now that's capable probably to make 1,000, 1,100 horse, maybe even 1,200 with the parts that are in it. This thing's not making quite that much. We just showed you the video on this thing. This thing's pretty impressive. So if we look over here in the graph, we made 768 and stock this was 380. So really we're talking about, this is about a 400 horsepower increase from production. That's why you really need to also do different rings, different pistons, different rods. It's something like that. You almost double the horsepower of the engine. Don't let anybody talk you into just using production parts. You really should go through it. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna have more of these trucks we're probably gonna be doing. Again, really good platform, something really you would do on this truck to compete with a Hellcat Durango or possibly beat it. Anyway, thanks for watching.